Hi, this is Muhammad Ramadan from NinjaSig team. In this video, we will talk about how we can scan boards with scapy. Let's type scapy and craft a bucket here equal IV destination this IV. And we will use TCP protocol and we specify the port small equal 80 and we will send hello, hit enter. Let's start typing response equal SR to send and receive bucket and our bucket. Okay, now we send one bucket and received two buckets. Let's inspect this behavior with TCP dump -nn and host our target here 31 and let's resend it again. Okay, as you can see here, let's make this bigger. Here TCP dump listening on Ethernet 0 as our local host device, Ethernet device, and found that our source IP on source port 20 sent one bucket with 5 bytes length to this target with destination port 80 with TCP flag S or SYN. Okay, after that our target replied to us here with S flag, and then we reply to our target with R flag. Okay, so this is SYN R. Let's view more details with Wireshark to see if this port is open or not. Let's surfaces our surface and try send this bucket again. Stop. Here you can see that we send one bucket to this destination here, and this target replied to us with SYN ACK flags. This means that this port is opened in this target. So port 80 is opened on this target. Then we sent RST flag or reset flag to end this session, or leave the session and close the connection. As you can see, it is in green, so it is open. Let's try another port here. Let's try 666 port and let's capture with Wireshark and inspect this bucket behavior. Send. As you can see, try to send to this target on board 666, but no reply. So this may indicate that this port is closed. Can view here, or we can change port to this one and send it again. Here you can see that firewall block. Let's inspect what's firewall doing. Here is firewall. You can see it is on. Let's try to make it off and try to send again. Okay, as you can see here that firewall is blocking our packet request. So you can see here that we send packet to this destination, and the target reply to us with reset acknowledgement flags. So this means that this port is closed, and you can see it is in red, so it is closed. Okay, if it is opened, you will see it is in green, and you will see SYN-ACK, so it is open. Okay, this is very simple packet crafting and sniffing traffic with Wireshark and TCP dump. Thank you.